That's cool. Ooh, even better. There they come. There we go. There's the idea. Great. I'm doing a little bird protest, and they're protesting the governor of Puerto Rico. I'm protesting. No, I'm protesting this law just like they're protesting the governor. So I'm going to sit here and feed the birds. If you want to arrest me, go right ahead. Because this law is illegal and it shouldn't exist. And my lawyer and I have a lawsuit against the city for trying to feed the birds.
Okay, do you have an ID?
No, I don't have an ID. I'm a Supergirl service citizen. You want to go ahead and write me a crime? You think it's a crime? I'm going to continue to do this. And I'm recording you, by the way. This is all on video. I'm recording the protest and you. How are you, officer?
Good, how are you?
This is not a crime. Well, I'm going to continue to do it. And if you want to arrest me, go right ahead, because it'll be the greatest media story that I've ever had as a Supergirl in San Francisco.
On the radio.
All right, well, give me a ticket. Just give me a ticket then. I'm homeless, I'm poor, I can't pay for it, so. No, you can't see my ID. I'm not going to give you. You know who I am. I told you who I am. At Supergirl of SF. Sean Strickland, the Supergirl of San Francisco. I've been in the paper, I've been in the Chronicle, I've been in the Bay Area Reporter. And London Breed knows exactly who I am, so I'm just going to protest, and if I protest, I'll be on my way.
Well, we might have to bring it down.
You're going to bring me down to the station for feeding birds?
No, you don't have ID.
I have ID, but I'm not going to give it to you. I don't have to.
You're going to have to bring it in.
For what? I haven't committed a crime. I'm not going to give it to you. I don't care if it's illegal. It's not immoral. It's not wrong. Well, it shouldn't be a crime. Well, guess what? It's not going to be a crime anymore after this. I want to be. Go ahead. I want you to arrest me for feeding birds. I want that to be a headline story in the San Francisco Chronicle. The Supergirl of San Francisco gets arrested for feeding birds. If you want my information, here it is. Sean Strickland. Date of birth, April 2nd, 1972. Gender, female. Transgender. There you go. That's all you're getting. You didn't have to explain who I am. If I've been in the paper already.
I'm sorry,
It's a good thing. Well, you should. You would, if you saw me in my costume, you'd know who I was. I'm just doing the same thing that these people are doing. They're protesting the governor of Puerto Rico, which is more important than what I'm doing. But I'm protesting the fact that somehow this is immoral and wrong and a crime. Just to sit here in nature and feed birds like the old home tribe did here 300 years ago, and somehow during that time it was totally fine, but now I'm supposed to be somehow going against the law and hurting the people somehow because I'm feeding birds? I don't think so.
and you refuse.
Well, you know what?
I mean, I can't, if you would have stopped.
I'm not going to, because it's not wrong, that's why. You can make up all the laws you want and enforce these silly laws, but I'm not going to follow laws that are not right.
What's your name again?
Sean Strickland.
Can you spell it for me, please?
S-H-A-W-N.
And your last name?
Strickland. S-T-R-I-C-K-L-E-N-D.
L-E-N-D.
Strickland, like the land that I'm sitting on.
L-E-N-D.
Yeah. And my address is 29 Grove Street.
29 Grove Street.
Number 113. And then San Francisco, 94102. I'll give you my telephone number too. It's 415-240-0698.
0698.
Yeah. And my Twitter is @SupergirlOfSF. You know, I'm sorry for getting mad, but this is just, I came here just to do this, to protest. This was my little protest. It wasn't personal.
No, I completely understand. Like,
Yeah.
I try to be courteous, and I give you a warning, but I do understand your position.
Yeah, because, in fact, I'm going to be going after your citation. I'm going to take it to the Board of Supervisors and explain to them that I would like the law changed. Because I think most people would agree that this shouldn't be a law, or at least there should be something less, like a certain area that you can feed birds, you know, because people like to do that. I mean, it's a peaceful thing to do, and they like it too. That's the only reason why I do that, is to get peace.
I understand your point of view, but sometimes it does disrupt their diet.
Yeah, that's true. I try not to feed them anything that's bad for them.
Usually what happens is that they become reliable on humans feeding them.
Yeah, I get that part of it too. I understand that. But yeah, I'm actually glad you gave me the citation because now this makes me want to change the law even more. So, and by the way, officer, I'm sorry for getting mad at you. It's not personal.
I get it. I mean,
Didn't I see you before down here?
I'm just down there pretty much Tuesday to Friday.
Yeah. If you were not a police officer and you were a citizen like me, would you find this to be wrong or somehow, or?
You know, I probably might not know it was illegal to feed the birds,
Oh.
but if I was asked by an officer not to feed the birds, I wouldn't feed them. That's just, you know, if I didn't know and they made me aware of it, I wouldn't feed them.
Okay.
Like, it's kind of like if dogs are running around off leash and you didn't know they were supposed to be leashed in this park, and somebody said, hey, your dog is supposed to be on a leash, and my dog wasn't on a leash.
Yeah.
That's just me.
Okay. I've already gotten a citation for sleeping outside too. I've got a citation. I can't afford an apartment. I make enough money, but it's not enough for an apartment. I only have like $1,000 a month, so it's.
If you go down to the homeless coalition,
I've tried. I've been on lists forever, and.
they didn't help you out.
No,
They do.
it's fine. I'm struggling along doing my Supergirl thing, so it doesn't make money, but I'm making a difference. At least a little bit. Actually, I got a law change that allows people now to protest in front of City Hall, because before you couldn't do a spontaneous demonstration on the City Hall steps if you were a small group. And there was a lot of things happening in the media, a lot of things going on in our world right now, so people feel like protesting.
They have that right?
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. Do you have color that?
Oh, brown. Or hazel. Hazel brown.
And how tall are you?
6 feet.
And your weight?
265. Used to be 400 though. I got down for 400. Oh, there we go. Woo!
Right, time to
Yeah.
It's not a mission to go, just honestly take care of it. Okay?
No problem. I'll sign. I gladly sign this one actually. So. Can I record this too? All right. Sean Strickland, guilty of feeding birds by City Hall. I mean, I'm laughing because I don't feel like this is a crime, so. Sorry. I know, and I'm not.
Which they require him to take.
I know. I'm sorry. It's not personal at all.
I completely understand.
Yeah, I just, at least we understand each other. That's good. And I appreciate the citation, actually. Okay, I will respect that. Yeah. Okay. That's how you do a good protest. I mean, I got a little angry, a little agitated, but everything worked out pretty well. And I got a citation for feeding birds. I love it. This is exactly what we needed, Donald, because look, I'm sorry, but I'm taking this to City Hall. I'm making this a thing. I'm going to public comment. I gotta say something soon, Donald. I don't think we should wait. I don't want to sit here and wait on something like this. I gotta take some kind of action. So, anyway, this is great. I'm gonna record this and put it online because this is another video to add to. It's not that important as like what's going on over here, but hey, a protest is a protest is a protest. Viva la freedom!